So we are going to make a dolly cart for our ballast box, and this is what it's going to look like. I haven't got it all together yet. I bought these casters at Harbor Freight, and they're swivel and they're 330-pound capacity. They're 4 inches tall. We'll see how they work out. But like I said, we're in the process of making a cart. Stay tuned. We're back. I have one installed. It's taken me a while to do this, but anyhow, that's the gist of it. And I will finish up and get back with you. I drilled with recess holes here to make the studs go deeper in so they won't stick out. I'll be back in a minute. Well, hello. It's lightly raining out today. We're back on this project. As you can see, there's our dog. I decided to go with some more boards in the center and put some rollers in the center for more weight distribution. These boards, I can also move them. I won't bolt them in. I can move them inside or outside or whichever way I need them for this project. Like I say, they're going to go under that ballast box to hold it, and we'll be back in a few. Okay, we're back. This is the final part of it. Like I said, the two inner boards with the rollers on them, all four of the white boards will be loose. They will just be sitting on top so I can use them as needed. I'll turn it over here and show you what I mean. Go flip this over. And this one's the same way. And there's what the top will look like. And we'll get a view underneath. There you go. Yeah, don't mind that bolt. I'll get it out of the way. There's 2, 4, 6 wheels. That should hold probably, they're 333 each, so just a guesstimate of 6 wheels, about 1,900 pounds roughly. So that should take care of the ballast box over there as far as weight. Okay, give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.